Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened today in the market for Nifty and Bank Nifty and see what is expected in the market tomorrow. So we open the chart for Nifty and start discussing what we had planned. So we are expecting a good gap up here. This and if we see a rejection, go for short. But market opened near this average moving average, and it's started moving down. So it was like from there it is always down. So market never recovered. It gave 100 points exactly at the end of the day. This is what. So from here, if you count what is the point that is it has given exactly 100 points it has covered at the end of the day. So from here, if you had made entry, so market gave 100 points exactly and then closed it. So this is what the trade it is given, but not a great trade as we expect because the premium was decaying too much because of the volatility in between. So not much profit could have made anybody even if you had got 100 points today. But it was okay. It was not a stop loss moment. It was kind of a good trade. If you had taken, I mean, decent trade actually. But if you see, if we had said that we could get a clear trade if it is breaking this at the starting of the day, or breaking this above, we get a long trade. So both the things did not happen, but it eventually gave some trade that was possible, which is the bearish trade. Yeah. So coming to what is expected tomorrow, right? If there is a gap up, this trend line and this what do you say? This region is resistance zone is important actually. If there is a market breaking up and closing above, or if it is opening 23, 22, exactly 23,000, if the market starts moving above anytime, is going to be bullish. We're going to kind of buy it long, go for long, and we can expect again touching the all-time high tomorrow. This is about 23,000. If the market gap up opens or any point of the time, if crosses 23,000, we can expect definite movement of 100 points. That is one trade. In case if it is kind of gap up here or a gap up here, if we get rejected, go for short, we can expect market coming down till this whatever the channel we have it, right, 22,780 or 22,800. We can expect market coming down till here. So this is what I could see it. If the gap down not breaking this resistance zone, if getting rejected, we can expect 22,800 is the target that we are expecting tomorrow for Nifty in case of gap down and rejection case. If it is a gap down itself, if it is eating away the whatever the planned target we are having it, so we need to wait for bounce and see if it is going to give a pattern for short or W pattern for long. So we need to wait for that. If it is already gap down happens, we need to wait for the market to take a pattern or price action to go for long or short. That is what we could see it in case of gap down. We might lose probably a good trade if there is a gap down. So these are the trades that we have it for tomorrow for Nifty, and this is what I've captured it. So no trade today, not a great trade, even though we had taken a small trade, but it was not a good trade to have it. So tomorrow gap up above 23K, we can expect long, or if rejected at that point or at the trend line, go for short. We can expect a 22,800 market coming down. If it is gap down, opens at 22,800 target itself, so we have to wait for a bounce and M pattern for short, or if it makes any W pattern, probably market may go for long again. So probably that if we can wait for today's high to be closed or today's highs to be broken so that we can go for long again where we can get 100 points. This is what I could see for tomorrow for Nifty. Comparatively, the Bank Nifty was a better trade, so we had clearly drawn this zone. This is a resistance zone. If we see a market getting here, we can go for short, and market did exactly the same thing, and we got 300 points of market coming down. Even though we say 300 points market has given, If you had done the option buy for a PE option buy, may not have got a great points, but we would have got good DK for C option sell actually. So entry was made here, and 270 points market gave, and this is what I could see. Comparatively, Bank Nifty worked as per our plan actually. So it gap up, it just went up, small gap up, went up, and then came to our resistance zone, supply zone, and then got rejected and gave to 70 300 points down. Now it is sitting exactly at the support zero region. So market could not yet break the support. We have to see how it behaves tomorrow. So based on the opening conditions, right, as usual. So we have to see if there is a gap up. The buy will happen only above this point, which is 49 330. If the market goes above, we can expect market going again to all time high. This is what I could see it in case of gap up. And gap up, if it is getting not able to break it, getting rejected, go for short. Market is might come back and break this one, which is going to be 270 points or 300 points, and reverse. So I could see the first trade gap up conditions. If it is breaking 23 49 330, if it is breaking, go for long. We can expect 300 to 500 points. If it is getting rejected, go for short. We can expect 300 points down. That is in case of gap up conditions. If it is gap down condition, so we have to wait for the price action to see the whatever the low that has formed need to be broken, or M pattern has to be formed to go for short, where we might expect market coming down to 48 700. This is what I could see it. 48 700 is what I'm expecting in case of gap down conditions, and then market is giving bounce and M pattern, so that it will come here. So this is a trade scenario. We have it for tomorrow for Bank Nifty. Hope you had seen the value of this discussion. We are doing it analysis daily, and you can put a like to this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and thanks for watching this video.